Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet. Today we're gonna make this Winnie the Pooh holder. It can be a brush holder, a pen holder, whatever you want to put it in, and it's super cute. But before we start the video, please subscribe on the red button right there and press the bell button so you get all the notifications on my videos and you can see them first. All my social media there, and if you're looking for videos in English and just find Portuguese, just go to my list of videos and you're gonna see that I upload my videos in English and in Portuguese, and you can find yours. We're gonna start opening and shaking the table like crazy, my yellow clay, and we're gonna cover this little glass. You can use any glass you have home. I got this rounded one at the Dollar Tree, so that was just $1. And I'm sorry, I'm out of the video a little bit. I'm just covering and trying to smooth it out, everything around, and then using my fingers to really smooth everything out, like rolling in the table and everything. I was shaking a little bit the table because my camera stayed on the top of the table. But hand grenade bury me. Not funny. But the only thing you need to do is cover all the way around and use the palms of your hands. That's to warm the palms of your hands, and you can smooth everything. It doesn't need to be perfect to smooth because you're gonna make a bear, so you're gonna make marks anyway. Cut the excess on the top, and if you're using cold porcelain or any air dry clay, leave a little excess because they shrink on it's dry. This is a very cute thing for a present, or for teachers, or for your kids, or even for you if you love Winnie the Pooh. We're gonna make 2 balls and push up something circular in the middle. I'm using the ball tool, and this is a toothbrush, but it's not like a normal toothbrush for your teeth. It's in the dollar store as well. I think it's for some kind of tool, but you can use anything that is gonna make little balls and little marks, even like a little tiny brush or anything. You just keep going until everything is marked. We're gonna open another ball and flatten the table to make his little, cheeks and mouth. We're gonna place right there in the middle, and then this one we're not gonna mark. We're just gonna mark that little line on the top like that, and in the middle to separate the 2 sides. And I'm gluing the little ears, and I'm pressing in the middle just to put them together. And I'm gonna go over again with the toothbrush kind of tool just to make more marks so you don't see then the ears, or put it back after. It looks like one little thing. And now we're gonna make a snake with brown and press right there when we made that indentation. We're gonna make a bow and a teardrop shape, and kind of like in a triangle little shape for the nose. And we're gonna place right in the middle. Now 2 little balls for the eyes, and I'm marking like a teddy bear, like those little marks. I'm copying the face of those Disney new like rounded figurines that they have. So that's the way that's in the picture. You can see the pool is right there, so that's why I put it for you guys to see. I'm making just a little tiny snake for the eyebrows, and I put the eyes, and that's it, pretty much it. I cut the brown on his face a little bit smaller because he had it in the picture, but I thought that didn't need to be so long, so first I put it long, and then now I'm marking with my thumbs the mouth. I'm using a little blush from like normal makeup to make his cheeks a little bit more pinky, and he's done. Just let it dry, and you can put all your brushes or your tools like pencils, pens, anything you want to hold, and it looks so much cuter than just that little glass or anything else on the table, on your work area for your kids. Anything's gonna look cuter. I hope you really like this video. It's super cheap and super easy to make, and something that's special you can give you as a gift, or you can keep to yourself, make a collection, or organize off your pens with colors and anything. Give me a little thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to look in the show more, has all the links for Etsy, Facebook, anything that you want to find me, and leave me a little comment and let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.